Tired of your Peachtree accounting data feeling like this? Let's transform that chaos into a streamlined, high-performance database. First, open your Peachtree software. Navigate to the File menu located at the top left corner of your screen. In the drop-down menu, click on Select Companies. This will bring up a list of your existing company databases. Choose the company file you want to configure, and then click the OK button to open it. Make sure you have administrative privileges. Now go to Maintain at the top, then select Users, and then set up security. Here, in Roles, you can define different roles with specific access permissions. For example, you can create a role for data entry clerks with limited access and another for managers with full access. Now, in Users, assign appropriate roles to each user in your organization. This ensures that sensitive financial data is protected and only accessible to authorized personnel. To optimize database performance, regularly review your company settings. This is typically somewhere in Maintain or Company Information. Consider options like purging old, unnecessary data to keep your database lean and responsive. Find these under File Maintenance, which can usually be found in File or Tasks drop-downs. Congratulations! You've successfully configured your Peachtree database file. By organizing your data, setting up access, and optimizing performance, it ensures robust accounting functionality.